This is called a rain stick. The rain stick was believed to be invented by the Aztecs. The reason they thought that they invented this rain stick, or a rain stick like this, was in a time of drought. It was used to entice the Aztec gods that they believed in to bring them rain. Rain is very essential for their livelihood, for growing crops, and they thought that perhaps hearing the rain would bring the rain. Others believe that perhaps they used this rain stick to help soothe their anxiety and cope during times of stress. I know for me, when I hear rain, it helps me to be more calm. It often helps me to fall asleep faster. It makes me want to cuddle up with a good movie, maybe some popcorn. For a lot of people though, rain is very soothing. For me, if I listen to the rain stick, I get different emotions of being calm. If you tilt it slowly, it sounds like just a trickle of rain. If I tilt it fast, it sounds like a rainstorm. Why don't you look around your house and try to find different things that calm you down? You could even go outside and explore nature a little bit and see what calms you out there. It's important to find things that you can soothe yourself with to help you self-regulate your emotions. For me, using a rain stick helps me be mindful, where I can just sit and listen to the rain, and it just makes me think about, what does rain smell like? What does rain feel like? I work very hard at being present in the moment and not thinking or worrying about anything else. I hope that you know that we all care about you, miss you, and we can't wait to see you again. I hope that you enjoyed this mindfulness activity. Hopefully we see you later on today for our other exercises and activities. Have a great day, everyone. We miss you lots, and don't forget to enjoy the rain. Goodbye.